Hello, good morning, and welcome once again to OK Integrated Farms. Today, I'll be talking about pen space. Pen space is not just luxury in pig farming, it is productivity. When pigs are crowded, they fight more, get stressed easily, eat less, and even grow slower. You'll notice more injuries in their body, more noise, and more feed competition. When you give them feed, you see they will always be fighting for feed, which is competition. When pigs have enough space to move, rest, and access feed and water, they stay calmer, grow faster, and convert feed better. A good pen space reduces stress, reduces disease, spread, and saves you money in the long run. If your pigs are always pushing each other, or if your pigs are lying on top of themselves always, what you do is that what that signifies is that they probably have a smaller pen space, which is also stressing them. So what I would advise you as a pig farmer, either a practicing farmer or an intending farmer, give your pig space and they will reward you with better growth and better profits. Thank you. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips daily.